Hey, what's going on, kings, queens, and everyone in between? You're probably wondering how to clean your blinds fast. Hey, how do you do that? Well, I'm going to share with you first and foremost the 3 tools that you need to have on hand that's going to help you clean those really dirty blinds. Why? Because my name is Amber Swanson, and on this channel we talk a lot about cleaning tips and tricks to help you save time and money. I'm going to share with you the best of the best from my mistakes and things that I've learned to help you not have to go and endure those. If you want to learn more, consider subscribing. So the first tool you're going to want to have on hand is your handy dandy Swiffer Duster. So it's nothing new. These things have been around for a while. And there's different variations of the Swiffer Duster. This box is what I tend to have to pick up today. I normally just do any type of 360 and whatever is that's going to save me some money. But these 360s is the main focus, and this the game changer of it all. I've tried generic, non-name brand and different type of dusters, and they just don't do the same. It's because the Swiffer Duster is designed to use static clean to pick up dust. It's like a crazy dust magnet. These things are amazing. I also will recommend Fleece Dusters, which you can find on Amazon. Any resources or anything I'm talking about, you can find it in the description below. This other tool I'm going to share with you is going to be very beneficial for those dirty, grimy blinds. So you want to get this beautiful, eco-friendly Krud Kutter. It's a safer choice and designed with the earth environment in mind. This thing is amazing. Not only can you use it on your blinds, but you can use it on your stove, stainless steel. The list goes on what all you can use it for. And Kutter is where it's at. So you're going to want to get Krud Kutter. And if you don't have Krud Kutter, here's the third tool. You're going to make sure you get not any type of liquid soap, but you want to make sure you get Dawn soap. And it needs to be the blue kind. What I've learned is that the other ones just don't do. So it could be platinum. It can be the 50% less scrubbing Dawn one. This thing is a game changer. You get this with warm soap and water in a bucket and get to town on cleaning each slat of the blind. These products are great for false wooden blinds. If you use any type of moisture on your wooden blinds, with time they begin to warp. And so when you're applying this, make sure you get you a good old terry cloth. And if you want to know more about the differences between a microfiber cloth and a terry cloth, you're going to check out this video. It's like gold to why you should make sure you're using the proper cloths for whatever you're cleaning. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you did, go ahead and like and subscribe and share this video with someone who could definitely get value out of it too. Before you go, what are some of the things that you use to help clean your blinds? Leave that in the comments below. Let's get this conversation started so we can help someone else who may have the type of blinds that you do. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.